up, guys? Here we go with the big wobbly fin that I actually fixed. The pool fin had popped out, and the light kit wobbles on high speed, and I had tightened up the blades, so it got loose again. Then, but so it's a good fin. It brings out a good amount of air, but I'm not gonna be able to turn the light kit on. So we're gonna start off from low, just like the hunting of video. I'll give it a start since it's not high up. I don't like low speed, but I'll give it another start. Well, this is how fast it goes on low speed. Medium speed. And high speed. Yeah, it will make a kind of noise, some kind of squishy noise. And here's the light kit wobbling. It does bring out a good amount of air. I'll keep it on for a while. And this is it with the unknown ceiling fan. Go ahead and turn it off. And stop it. And that's it with the fan. Wait, I'm going to put it on high speed, on reverse. And if it gets out of hand, I'll turn it off. Wow. I love this fan on reverse. It doesn't wobble badly. It doesn't bring out an amount of air though. I'm gonna put it on medium now. And now, low speed. Slow down this a little. There. Man, I love it. I love this fan on reverse on low, man. Not even wobbling. Yeah, I'll turn it off by the switch. Bye, fan lovers.